In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your keyboard not working in Google Chrome. Encountering issues with your keyboard in Chrome can be incredibly frustrating, whether you're working on important documents or simply browsing the web for leisure. But don't worry, today we'll walk through some straightforward fixes that can resolve this issue efficiently. First, one of the simplest ways to troubleshoot temporary software problems is by restarting your computer. You might be surprised at how often this classic trick works. So go ahead and close all your open programs, completely shut down your computer, and then power it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve any underlying issues that might be affecting the keyboard's functionality in Chrome. Next, let's clear the browser's data. Over time, old or corrupt data can accumulate, leading to glitches like the one you're experiencing. To tackle this, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select Clear Browsing Data. Once you're there, make sure to set the time range to All Time. Be sure to check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After you've done this, click on Clear Data and restart Chrome to see if this resolves the issue. Now, let's take a look at turning off hardware acceleration. This feature can enhance performance but may sometimes conflict with the keyboard's functionality. Start by clicking on those three dots again and navigating to Settings. On the left-hand menu, find and click System. Here, you'll see an option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle this switch off to disable it. After making this adjustment, click on Relaunch to apply the change and see if this resolves your keyboard issue. If you've tried the previous steps and are still facing issues, a more drastic measure would be to reset Chrome to its default settings. While this won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, it will revert Chrome's settings and configurations to their original state. Start by clicking the three dots once more and head to Settings. Look on the left menu for Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and then confirm that you want to proceed. This can often resolve complex issues that the other methods haven't tackled. There you have it. These steps should help you get your keyboard working smoothly in Google Chrome again. If you followed along and tried these methods, I hope you're back up and running without a hitch. Remember, while technology can sometimes throw a wrench into our day-to-day tasks, these quick fixes are always helpful to keep in your back pocket. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice.